calcium and phosphorus. So these bones, they are made up of the mineral, the calcium and the phosphorus. They are very hard. They can't be bent, right? It can't be bent. So that is the characteristics of a bone. And coming to muscles, they are very soft. There are different types of muscles found in human body, but they are very soft and tender and they help in movement, right? So this completes the skeletal system. Next we shall go to bones and its functions. Bones and its functions. So as we know the characteristics of bone, okay, few points like they are very hard and they help in giving the framework, no, they give the framework for the body. They keep like the posture straight, they support, isn't it? They support and they give the strongest framework for the body. And the next is its functions. Apart from being hard, giving the support to the body, they help in, first it is they give support to the body. They give support to the body, right? The second point is they protect soft internal organs. Okay. Two major functions are carried by these bones. They give support to the body, okay, as they are hard, and also they protect soft internal organs. Let's see now which are all the soft internal organs protected by this bones. See, this is the skull, right? This is the skull, and inside this skull, what is the soft organ present? Internal organ, it's a brain. Okay, the brain is protected by the skull. Next, when you come to rib cage, okay, these are the ribs which is present in the thoracic cavity. Okay, here the lungs which are found here. The lungs are protected by these ribs, right? And when it comes to the intestinal part and all, no, the pelvic girdle. Okay, in this manner, these bone, okay, the bones or the skeletal system will give protection for the internal organs. Okay, and even here, the vertebral column, the spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. So that is the second function carried by these bones. And apart from that, these bones, they help to walk straight. Just imagine without a vertebral column, what would be the posture? It would not be straight, right? Because of this vertebral column, we are keeping our backbone straight. It helps in movement and giving support, and also we can maintain our posture in the standing straight or walking straight. That's why the function is carried through this bones, right? Next we have as I told you earlier, human adults have 206 bones, whereas babies have 300 bones. I think you have a question here, right? In babies they were 300. How come it is reduced to 206? The scientific reason is, dear children, when we are young, right? When we are young, some of the infant babies, right? They'll be having some fragile, soft bones. Okay? As they grow older and older, okay, few bones like cartilage and all, no, they get fused. And that will be reduced to 206 bones. That is why baby will be having 300 bones and adult they will be having 206 bones, right? I hope it is clear. Yes. Now move to joints. So what are these joints? Again, just have a look here. So what is a joint? Joint is a point on the body where two bones meet. So this is one bone, okay, and this is another. So the point, we have contact, we have a meet here, and this particular point where two bones meet, right, this is called joint. Is it clear now? For example, see, we have upper arm, okay, and this hand. It has a joint here, elbow joint, okay. This point where two bones meet is called a joint. And we have, that is, joint can be defined as where the point where two bones meet is called a joint. And we have 360 joints. What we have? 360 joints in our body. Next we move on to muscles, right? So we have more than 600 types of muscles, more than 600 muscles. So some muscles are longer, okay, bigger, and some are shorter, okay, and these muscles helps in movement, right? They help in movement. So the bigger muscles, example, bigger muscles, we can give examples like muscles found in hands and legs, okay, muscles found in hands and legs. Whereas the smaller muscles are found in our eyes, right? The eye. So this is all about the muscles, okay? So first is a joint. When two bones meet, that's called a joint. We have 360 joints, and coming to muscles, we have more than 600 muscles in our body. The bigger muscles like hands and legs, and smaller muscles like eyes. So what are the functions of these muscles? They help in movement, right? So in today's class, it was very interesting, I hope. I want your feedback. Just text me through the WhatsApp, and we have met a special guest also, and like throughout he'll be with us, okay, until this chapter, recapitulation 2. So we discussed what is skeletal system, what is its function, then what is bone and its function, right, and different parts, the basic parts of the skeletal system, and also we discussed about joints and also what are muscles and its function. So dear students, I hope the class was very interesting to know about ourselves, isn't it? So just observe the video with all enthusiasm and interest. Definitely I'll meet you in the next class.